Today, 600 million blogs exist running over the 2 billion daily search industry. What makes blogging one of the best ways to make money? And how can you become a part of it? This is becoming a blogging millionaire. Our first task is finding a niche. Niche is like a topic or an industry that you are interested in. To choose the perfect niche, you will write down your favorite things and choose the most favorite. You can pivot your niche or expand it in the future. The second task is finding a domain name. The name will eventually become your brand. The last part is getting a hosting space. Thanks to countless companies, it has become easier. With a domain name and hosting mixed with the WordPress content management system, we have a fully functional website. From here, we are moving into the most difficult part. But this is what defines your website. It's adding content. This is the endless part that lives inside your head as long as the blog exists. You research new articles using tools like Google Trends, Google Autocomplete, and Google Keyword Planner and find the relevant topics within your niche. Along with this, you'll be looking at monetization and growing ways to get more traffic and make money. There are 3 ways to write content, and you can choose one or all according to your budget. The first is called Do It Your Way. You are the sole person writing, publishing, and updating content. The method saves money, but you will sacrifice your time. The second way is getting outside help to write content. It costs money, and many bloggers fail because they don't have experience in this category. The third is the cheapest, but it's full of risks. You can use an AI tool such as ChatGPT to write articles. The tool will generate from lines to big passages. However, the content may not be of quality and fully accurate. You can start with one way, and as your website grows, add more resources. There are over 10 ways to make money with your blog, but 3 are the common ways most bloggers have implemented. Ads are the simplest way to make money. Ads can pay as much as $60 on every 1,000 visits. However, many factors are accounted for this number. Another popular method is affiliate marketing. This way, you promote others' products and get a commission on each sale. Depending on the product, you'll get from 2% to up to 50% commission. There are so many places where you can get product links. Sponsorship is another common way, but it's beneficial when you have over 50 blog posts and over 10,000 visitors monthly. Brands will contact you to promote their products. You can negotiate on your own terms and make hundreds, if not thousands, on each promotion. The next part is to understand to grow your blog. This part includes collecting emails and finding blogs for backlinks. Your newsletter will work as an additional source of traffic. This way, users will get new updates and articles in their inboxes. In newsletters, you can also add affiliate links and sponsor brands to earn additional income. However, all this is less effective without the most important part of your journey. It's called link building. In this process, you will contact other websites and request them to link to your website. The reason it's important is that it's the single significant thing outside of your content capabilities to increase your authority in the online world. Many bloggers fail in this method because it's time consuming, yet has few results. Today, almost every blog website charges payments ranging from $20 to up to $500 to link to other websites. To enter the blogging business, having those 2 things is important. Blogging is a patience game. Patience is a key exercise because your blog can take up to a year to generate any money. Survival is also important because companies like Google change their system frequently. So, rankings change significantly. Your website can lose as much as 50% of traffic within a day if it comes to that. If you don't have experience in those 2, blogging will give you a hard time. Becoming a millionaire is no child's game. You'll need a system that will cover everything from writing articles to getting backlinks. Once you create a system, your blog will become unbreakable. You will also need a team to work alongside, as becoming a millionaire is not a one-person job. With the system in place, you can become a millionaire in as little as 4 years. Now that you're ready, it's time to get started. Check out the description to find the recommended domain and hosting companies and see how easy it is to create a blog today. If you want to know how much blogs make, check out this video next. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you next time. Take care.